Inner Traditions Audio presents A Burst of Conscious Light, Near-Death Experiences, the Shroud of Turin, and the Limitless Potential of Humanity by Dr. Andrew Silverman. Read by Andy Rick. Forward by Daniel Langsman. Throughout history, people have described themselves and the world around them by using concepts drawn from their everyday experience. Around the time of the Industrial Revolution, the universe and the human body were believed to be like mechanical clocks. More recently, since the information technology revolution, many people assume that our minds are merely the product of information being processed by the brain, just like a computer. There is even speculation that our minds could be uploaded to machines so that we might transcend mortality. Many in the scientific community are now raising concerns about this trend, and research institutes have been set up in the premier seats of learning in the world, including the universities of Oxford and Cambridge, where crucial questions about humanity and its prospects are being discussed by some of the world's leading intellects. These leading minds, including Professor Stephen Hawking, have suggested that the biggest threat to humanity may not be asteroids, nuclear war, or climate change, but rather the unanticipated effects of technology when combined with artificial intelligence. With evidence centered in reason and empirical science, a burst of conscious light demonstrates how and why the human mind cannot be reduced to data or software. If we fail to consider the warnings, such as those from the Oxford and Cambridge teams, then the continued existence of the human race will indeed be in peril. Scientific research has demonstrated that people have continued to be conscious during cardiac arrest, when their brain waves were flat and the people were clinically dead. Many scientists and medical doctors are now being forced to the conclusion that our minds may not be the product of our brains, and that, therefore, death may be a comma rather than a full stop. This evidence suggests that the continuation of consciousness beyond death is part of a natural process that has nothing to do with technology. A burst of conscious light suggests how this continuation might work. Dr. Andrew Silverman shows that the clues to this have been around for nearly 100 years and were glimpsed by the founders of quantum mechanics.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?